Building your own budget gaming PC might sound daunting at first, but it can be incredibly rewarding and cost-effective. You see, with research and a little patience, anyone can piece together a machine that plays the latest games without breaking the bank. However, it is important to understand the sweet spot between performance and affordability, so compromises are often necessary. For instance, focusing on a good graphics processing unit while keeping the budget processor can help you balance costs. You might be surprised to learn that components today are designed to work together seamlessly, so checking compatibility before you buy can save you a lot of headache. In fact, exploring community forums and video guides can significantly boost your confidence before you start assembling. Finally, remember, the satisfaction you will feel when you power on that PC for the first time is truly worth the effort.